Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can download and install the Ethernet driver or Ethernet adapter driver for our Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us open first our device manager so that we will know what exactly is our network adapter that we are using in our device. So let us make a right click here in the Windows icon, and then you will see device manager option, so please click on that. And then once you do that, you will see here the device manager window. So let me just maximize this one, and you will see, or we will look for network adapters. This one, once found, please click on this arrow before it and look for wireless LAN or wireless connection. If you are using a Wi-Fi, you can look for wireless. So since I am using a public network, or I am connected with a public network, then I will be having this wireless option here. So please take note of the connection or driver that you have, and then go to your Google Chrome browser or any browser that you have. So I will take note of this MediaTek Wi-Fi 6 MT7921 wireless LAN card. So I'll just keep that in mind, and then I will go with my browser, and here I will type the driver or the network adapter that I have. And once I type it, the search result from Google will give me website like this one. So I have chosen Lenovo, the website Lenovo. So once you click on that, this window or this tab will appear, and in here you will be able to download the driver or network adapter driver based on your Windows that you are using. So if you're using Windows 10 64-bit, then you can download this one. Or if you're using Windows 11 64-bit, then you can click on this download button as well. Okay, and if the downloading is done, all you need to do is just to install the software or driver in your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.